my channel. We're doing how do you say that word? I can't say the
Mukbang.
word. Featuring my sister Shelby. Jokes. So we're just gonna get started.
Not eat and watch a movie.
Do I get to have some of these?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we went to Luigi's to get our food. It's only my second time eating at Luigi's.
I eat there all the time, as you can tell.
She's a frequent flyer.
These are good. They're oven baked.
What's the difference? I like like thin crust.
Ooh, that's good. Like Antonio's, they have really good pizza.
Really? I never ate there yet.
It's thin crust. My drink today is Diet Dr. Pepper. Not sponsored. Once we get more known, we'll buy a coffee table specifically for mukbangs. But for now, I'm just eating off our laps.
This is a native mukbang.
That's how we usually eat. Because there's always like only one chair.
Where the table's broken.
Yeah, from the party.
What?
You
I
want
get this?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Is it what? Oh fuck. Dancing chicken. Is this 90 Day Fiance?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought this was Teen Mom. I also got French fries and just a with gravy. And people always say I'm weird because I love ranch and gravy and French fries. So we live in a small town, so there's not really places to go. So that's why I've been to this Luigi so many times, because Boston pizza is expensive and I'm broke all the time. And I'm also too lazy to cook, so I go here because it's inexpensive and it's still good food.
My friend said that Luigi's hasn't changed their menu for 25 years. So I got, what did I get?
Buffalo chicken burger.
I got a buffalo chicken burger with fries and gravy, but I had a salad to start. This burger looks huge. Look at how big it is.
That burger tastes really good with their homemade ranch that they serve, which I'm still kind of mad that they didn't give me. My one friend, who's also my old coworker when I used to work at our friendship center, we got there was a pancake breakfast, but we were hungry because we had to be there at 7 a.m. and the pancake breakfast didn't start till 9. So we went to A&W and got breakfast, and we got those like plates of breakfasts. And she was eating, just like enjoying it, and then she looks over at me, and I'm right like eating fast because I like to eat fast because I get to do other things. She's like halfway through, she's really eating and she starts choking, and then I was like, what's the matter? And she's like, I'm just trying to keep up with you, and she's choking, and I'm just like, oh my god.
They're always fighting.
I never watched this. I watched that one episode with that girl and then this other one. Yeah, I don't know. I know. I wasn't watching. I was watching Paul Blart and all cop. There's all. Anyways, I might add a drink. This Diet A&W root beer because, you know, I'm trying to connect with Shane Dawson.
I'm getting full.
Me too. Those wings really.
Those wings are like
Oh like them, and I'm like, they're good and they're filling.
Do they have Wing Wednesday?
I think it's Tuesday. I think it's Thursday. I can't remember.
No, the grill is Thursday.
Then they're Tuesday. And then actual Wing Wednesday is at Boston Pizza. It's like we have a wing day. 3 wing days in a row.
Huh. Well, I would probably go to Luigi's for
Their wing day?
yeah.
They had because they usually have drink specials after 5. Today's drink special was Caesar. And I don't know why. I didn't like them before, but now for some reason I really like just a good Caesar. Like a spicy Caesar.
Yeah.
Especially when I'm like sobering up. Or like a good hangover thing.
I tasted another pickle. Mm.
It looks like it. I don't know, it's just what it is. This doesn't taste as good as it usually does because I think it was sitting there because
We waited too long to pick it up,
we went to Walmart.
but it's still good.
I think it's good.
I honestly thought that this was hey, what the fuck? Look at it. Oh, look, it's like pebbles. Like, hold on. That's done. Look, she sees the cat.
It just looks like her.
Hey, it just looked like he looked down at her. What the fuck? Oh,
He just that cat looks like a male version of Minnie.
my cat has Instagram.
And she's fat, but she's sassy.
She's not fat.
She's fat.
She's petite. Hey, I have a question for all of our
viewers.
Is there A&W in the States?
Mm-hmm.
There is?
Yeah. That's why, like, in like all the towns from that main highway we took to go to Utah, there was like just like towns that you have to turn off so you didn't get to see all the stuff
yeah.
you're going through. Kind of like how our town is, you don't see what's in it.
So you didn't see A&W?
No, but I'm pretty sure I've seen a sign for it because when you're coming into our town, it has the like accommodations and stuff.
I've never seen an A&W in the States. Ever. But then again, I don't go to the States. Baby, I don't go to the States a whole lot, so. But I am going to Vegas.
Mom?
No.
Oh, I was gonna be like, because she
Just
said
got-
I couldn't go with her.
Just got real mad. No, I already booked my trip a long time ago. I actually told Mom to go down when we go down, so she's not alone. But I don't know, she's weird. I think I'm tapping out.
I would, but Mama raised no quitter. Joke, she
I think
did.
I just wanted to sit here for a bit.
Also, I didn't take my pills today. It sounds so weird to say. I didn't take my metformin, and it makes me hungry. Metformin. Fun fact: diabetes.
Drinking the gravy. Diabetes.
Diabetes right here.
Just play a real evil laugh when I did that.
You sounded like a monkey. Ooh, that's juicy.
Yeah, I know.
I do taste pickles.
Yeah, and I don't know where the hell it is. because I took them out. Oh, maybe it's on the other side.
Or maybe it's just the juices.
Yeah, probably. Pickles and meat are no. I used to I used to not mind them. Like, I didn't love them or anything. Like, in a Big Mac burger, I could eat them.
Big Mac.
Big Mac. Okay, so I think that concludes our say it.
Mukbang.
So
Or it's mukbang. Mukbang.
whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called.
Mukbang.
But I enjoyed myself. I ate. I'm super full. I didn't get ready with me just before I did this video. So if you want to check that out, the link is down below, bitch. I'll have our social media accounts and everything linked down below. This was my sister, Shelby. She joined with me to do my very first YouTube video because we always talked about it, and I was like, I want to do a YouTube video, and I have a YouTube channel. I think I'm finally gonna start doing it, like doing that. So yeah, that's the mukbang.
I'm also going to be starting my own YouTube channel. Like I said, I have a couple videos that I've been working on currently. I'm also doing fangs, you know. And then, so yeah.
Fangs?
Fangs.
Oh, I was like, fangs? How the fuck are you doing fangs?
I'm turning myself into a vampire. Ooh.
Yeah, so thanks for watching. Check out our other videos. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe.